When it comes to building layouts in React Native apps, Flexbox is super important. And you might know Flexbox from the web and CSS, and in the next lecture, we'll have a little deep dive into Flexbox and how to use it. But Flexbox is a key approach, a key concept, which is basically a collection of CSS properties that you use to control how things look like. And the Flexbox implemented here in React Native, which can be set with all those React Native properties, is very similar to what you know from CSS Flexbox. In the end, Flexbox is all about a couple of CSS properties, or a couple of styling properties to be precise here, that are about positioning elements inside of containers. You can control how much space certain elements take up and if they are to the left or right or bottom or top of other elements. And the positioning is then controlled with the style settings that you apply to the container that holds other elements, as you will see in a second. Now, Flexbox is all about two axes which you have on a container. For example, the styles which you see here at the top, flex1, flex direction column, and so on, would be applied to the container that holds the three boxes inside of it. Now, the flex1 instruction here, for example, would tell the container that it should expand to occupy all available space, though as you will see soon, this is seen in relation to other containers that might also take up space. And then flex direction controls whether the elements are laid out in a column, as you see it here, or in a row, as you see it here. So that all works. Basically, flex direction controls if the main axis, as it's called, is top to bottom or left to right. With column, it's top to bottom. With row, it's left to right. And then you also got other properties like justify content or align items that allow you to control how the elements are laid out in their axis. So if there is some space between them, if they're crunched together, and so on.